In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. If you're working on a large data, you have to scroll right and left again and again. Like in my case, I have to check the month to write the correct value. For your ease, Excel gives you an option to freeze the column, rows, and panes. Freeze the column. For this, select View on a ribbon, then open a freeze pan. Here select first column. Now you have freezed the first column and you can write correct value easily without scrolling. Freeze your desired column other than first. Let's suppose if you want to freeze the column H, what will you do? Make the column H first by holding it in a first column on a screen. Then freeze it by the same method. Now the column H has been freezed. You can also freeze the first row. Again, open View, then Freeze Pan. Here select first row instead of column. Now you have been freezed first row. You can also freeze multiple columns or panes. Let's suppose I want to freeze columns from A to D. For this, first I will select E column. Then same method will be applied. Select View, then select Freeze Pan. Here I will select again Freeze Pane. Now, before E, all the column has been freezed. Unfreeze all the column and rows. I'll select Unfreeze option. Now all the columns and rows have been unfreezed. Thanks for watching.